Right now I'm in beast mode. On fire in my beast mode. Right now I'm in beast mode. I'm back in the game. On fire in my beast mode. Remember my nickname. I'm back in the game.
Milyong palakpak para sa Team I Am The One! Mega Momento Magiga!
Si I Am mamimigay ng 8 million pesos!
Next year, ikaw naman yung aawardan sa stage. Hindi lang sa Team I Am The One, kundi sa I Am Worldwide na.
I'm back in the game. Remember
Amazing morning, Team I Am The One!
Mega Momentum
2025, we are the one!
fire inside of my soul is straight burning. You keep coming back for more, you fools just
Isa sa mga learnings ko dito, you have to really obey kung sino yung nauna na may resulta.
I'm motivated to be the greatest. Motivated by hatred, by the fact that my name is paving the way. Decapitating anybody who gets in the way of slaying.
Together, we will achieve more. Together as one here in Team I Am The One.
I'm back in the game. Remember my nickname. The crowd shouts it loud. If your lights are going now, I am coming straight.
Tuloy-tuloy din ang income at growth mo sa I Am Worldwide. Mawawala yung iba, maraming darating.
But with God, all things are possible. Maybe siguro sa'yo, feeling mo hindi mo kaya, pero pagkasama mo si Lord, lahat posible.
Fire inside of my soul is taking
Ang totoong mentor ay tumutulong sa mga sumusunod sa kanila.
If you think I'm crazy, your guess is very accurate. It means you see the truth and know exactly what is happening.
And if you hold on to that purpose and you fulfill your vision, yung pangarap mo, God is with us. Sabi nga, if there is a vision, there is provision.
Now I'm in beast mode. I'm back in the game. On fire in my beast mode. Remember my nickname. I'm back in the game.
Hindi nila alam na may purpose pala yung trials. Yung problema mo ngayon, actually blessing yan. May matututunan ka dyan na hindi mo matututunan unless daanan mo yung dinadaanan mo ngayon.
Yung passive income na makukuha natin, pwedeng ipamana sa next generation. Hindi humihinto sa atin ang success.
Ang pinaka-goal natin is to change lives one family at a time.
Yung sinasabi na kahit anong mangyari sa'yo, ituloy-tuloy mo lang yung I Am Worldwide.
If you're willing to show up, stay humble, and willing sumabay sa proseso.
You have to look at it na isa siyang malaking negosyo. Kasi kung yun yung nakikita mo sa negosyo natin, malaki din ang ibabalik sa'yo. Ang I Am Worldwide, hindi to small time, big time business ito.